Hello, hello, speechers, and welcome to today's storytelling time. Remember, last video we talked about Mr. and Mrs. Kareem, the two doctors that were looking for the perfect house. They already went through the living room, and today they will go through the kitchen. Are you ready? Let's go. So, next to the living room is the kitchen, the heart of the house. The doctors imagine that the family will cook together around a big island with tall stools, a shiny refrigerator just at the corner, and a modern oven will help them to prepare very healthy meals after long days at the hospital, because remember, they both are doctors. On Sunday mornings, they imagine they will smell the pancakes and the bread that was just baked in the oven. The air will be full with beautiful smells, and maybe their son will be telling stories about the school days that he had in the past week. During Thanksgiving, maybe they will have long dining table chats, and the table will be covered with very nice desserts surrounding the main meal, a big, enormous turkey, and all the dishes that remind them of gratitude and togetherness. Nice scenario, right? For them, this is still the perfect house for their growing family. So you see, they still visualize the future. They will cook together. They will listen to stories from their son. So the will for the future that they are imagining will be pretty much perfect. So don't forget to follow us. No olviden seguirnos en TikTok, Instagram, donde haremos resúmenes gramaticales y de vocabulario. Y por favor, comenten, interactuemos, que estaré más que gustosa de dar respuesta a sus preguntas. See you soon, speechers.